Let's start question number 9. A field in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter and the non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Trapezium means a quadrilateral in which a pair of opposites are parallel. ABC is a quadrilateral. If AB is parallel to DC, then it is a trapezium. So take AB parallel to DC. Then it is given the parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. These are parallel sides, AB and DC. One is become 25 meter. Okay, this 25 meter. And another become 10 meter. And non-parallel, these are non-parallel sides, 14 meter and 13 meter. This is a 14 meter. It is 13 meter. Find the area of the field. But okay, area of the field is become area of trapezium equal to half into sum of the parallel sides. Parallel side means AB plus DC. Sum of the parallel side AB plus DC, and the distance between the two parallel sides, that's called height. Height we record find the distance between the two parallel sides. We don't know, so how to find it, tell you. Okay, ready. Now in trapezium ABCD, we have taken which is parallel. In the trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to DC is given. Okay, what is given as per the question? AB equal to is given 25 meter and DC it is 10 meter. It is given parallel sides, and non-parallel sides AD equal to 14 meter and BC it is become 13 meter. Right. I mean, we are going to find the distance between the two parallel sides. That's height we record to find it. For the reason, what we'll do, we can see. First, you can see we can draw a line parallel to a line through C parallel to DA. We can draw the line. We draw CE. The line CE, the CE is parallel to DA. Okay, draw CE parallel to DA. So now the CE and D are parallel. If it is parallel, then AE equal to DC, both are equal, then it is 10. So it must be also become 10. You will be getting it is 10 meter. Therefore, what can here? Therefore, AE is equal to DC, both are equal to 10 meter. In the same way, AD equal to CE or DS equal to CE, that is become 14 meter. So it is 14 meter. This must be also become 14 meter. Now, okay. Now you can see that this got it. Now what is going to be the triangle CEB? We know three sides. Okay. AE become how much? 10, but AB 15. So what is EP? So EP can find out. EP equal to AB. Look at here. You want the EP value, but you see now AB how much? 25 meter. AE 10 meter. So what is EP? You can find out. Is it now? Yes or no? Totally become 25. It is 10. So how much this one? We know it is 15. How to get it? AB minus AE. AB minus AE. That means 25 meter minus 10 meter. It is equal to 15 meter. So we got this measurement 15 meter. Right. Okay. I'll write down 15 meter. Okay. Now how can find the distance of this one? That means you can find the height of the triangle. If you find the height of the triangle, that is the distance between the two parallel sides. That's the height of the trapezium also. So we are drawing one line. We turn this one, turn, and CM, you want to put turn CM perpendicular to AB. Turn CM perpendicular to AB. That means CM is the height of the distance between the two parallel sides or height of the triangle. Okay. First I'm going to find the area of triangle. In triangle CEP, we can find the area of triangle. After we can find the height of the triangle. Height of the triangle equal to 2 in the area by the base of the triangle. We can get the height. Okay. In the triangle CEP, we know the triangle CEP, one is 14 meter, one is 15 meter, one is 13 meter. So let A equal to 14 meter and B equal to 15 meter and C equal to 13 meter. You can take any order. It's up to you. So for S equal to semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C divided by 2. That means 14 plus 15 plus 13 divided by 2. all together is become 42 by 2. It is 21 meter. Okay, 42 by 2, 21 meter. We cut the side. So you can find area of the triangle. This is triangle CEP equal to root over formula S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, let's find out root over S. Yes, we got it. 21 into 21 minus A. A is 14. Yes, you know, A is 14. And 21 minus B. B is 15. And 21 minus C. C is 13. Okay, so root over. So 21 into 21 minus 14. You know, 21 minus 14 is 7. So 21 minus 15 is 6. 21 minus 13 is 8. I hope. Okay. Now make into factors. 21 you can make into factor. 3 7s are 21. And 7. 6 2 into 3. And 8 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. I think you know how to make factors. Let's take now 2 3 as pair. So 1 3. 7 as pair. 1 7. 2 as pair. Again 2. Again 2 as 1 pair. So very perfect square. So 3 7s are 21. 21 4s are is become 84 meter square. So this is the area of the triangle CEP. Now what you can find that height of the triangle. What is the height of the triangle? Height of the triangle is equal to area of triangle 2 into area of triangle by the base of the triangle. The formula is given to you. Now therefore area height of the triangle. Height is equal to area of the triangle. Height of the triangle, that is called CM. CM is the height of the triangle. CM is the height of the triangle is equal to 2 into area of the triangle divided by base of the triangle. Base of the triangle. So 2 into area of the triangle we know 84 meter square divided by base of the triangle. The triangle of base EP. Triangle of base become EP. EP value already got it. It is become 15 meters. So meter cut off. So it is become 3. 3 5s are 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24. It is become 56 by 5 meter. This is the height of the triangle. Then you can find the area of the trapezium. Okay. Therefore, area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium. Trapezium ABCD is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides. Actually, AB plus DC. This is called sum of the parallel sides AB plus DC into the distance between the two parallel sides. That's called CM. Okay, half into, we can take sum of the parallels. One is become 25, another is become 10 into, and the height is how much that CM is equal to 56 by 5 and meter square. Okay, so half into, it is 35 into 56 by 5 meter square. 5 ones are, 5 sevens are, 2 ones are, it is 28. So 7 into 28 multiplied, 7 28s are 196 meter square. That is 196 meter square. I hope you understand. So let's go to the new chapter after a few days.